Budgeting is a crucial aspect of personal finance that can help you achieve your financial goals and improve your productivity in daily life. Here are 7 great reasons why budgeting is important. Number 1, budgeting helps you keep track of your expenses and control your spending habits. By creating a budget, you can identify areas where you are overspending and make necessary adjustments to your spending habits. Number 2, budgeting can help you save more money by identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses. By reducing unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to save for your future goals. Thirdly, it can help you create a clear picture of your financial situation. By knowing how much money you have coming in and going out, you can make informed decisions about your finances. Number 4, budgeting will help you prepare for emergencies by setting aside money for unexpected expenses. By having an emergency fund, you can avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. 5, budgeting can help you get out of debt by providing you with a plan to pay off your debts. By prioritizing your debts and making regular payments, you can become debt-free faster. 6, by setting financial goals and creating a budget to achieve them, you can stay motivated and on track. Lastly, it helps create a clear picture of your financial situation. By knowing how much money you have coming in and going out, you can plan for the future and create a stable financial foundation. These are ways budgeting can greatly help to improve your productivity and reduce financial stress and anxiety. How do you budget? Let us know in the comments section below. If this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.